The hydraulic horsepower calculator determines the power output and efficiency of hydraulic systems. Let's look at the 3 input fields required for this calculation. First, we have Pressure PSI, where you enter the system pressure. Next is Flow Rate GPM for entering the flow rate in gallons per minute. Finally, there's System Efficiency Percentage, which defaults to 85% but can be adjusted from 0 to 100. Click Calculate Hydraulic Power to run the calculation. For our example, I'll input 10 psi for pressure, 10 GPM for flow rate, and keep the default 85% efficiency. After clicking Calculate, we get 3 critical results. The hydraulic HP shows 0.06, which is the actual hydraulic horsepower delivered by the system. The input HP reads 0.07, representing the total horsepower needed to drive the pump. The difference between these values appears as heat loss HP at 0.01, showing the power lost as heat due to the 85% efficiency. This means 15% of our input power, or 0.01 horsepower, is wasted as heat rather than useful hydraulic work. This calculator helps engineers properly size motors and cooling systems for hydraulic applications. Find the link in the description below.